Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to make a quick reaction video because we don't have all that time to spend on this one. So today is Friday, okay, Friday 14th of April 2025. Normally, you hear these people, and what I mean by these people, as you can see on your screen, this is Sonak Barawa's Twitter handle. I have been searching and looking for a way to know their recent weekly propaganda to to keep you on their side or to drag you to their side and all that. I couldn't find anything, so I feel that this is maybe they're running out of idea on what to use. Like today, this weekend seems to be quiet so far. Maybe they will surprise us in any moment from now. But let us just go through, what they have dished out using to what they have dished out to convince many of you. Now, read what this guy posted here 20 hours ago. Here is another one of them. Group of Ebubago working with Fulani terrorists. Same way Ngozi and her group defend the Fulani Islamic invasion of Biafran lands. I am here to understand what they mean by that. That Ngozi and his group and her group are defending Fulani. This guy, he is the master planner who always have something to say to lure you on their side. And this is the one they have designed for this week. Okay, this is the new sticker they have made for you to understand that Ngozi Rabeze and USB government are fake and that they what they call it, USB Nigeria and USB charger and rest of them. Let us go through the write-up, some of the write-up here. You can see this one. He said over 50 of Biafran's donation made to Ngozi account was used for a Ebubago live from pit of hell. That's number one. And here, do you know why he said this? Because this is Friday, okay, and Saturday is on the way because of fundraising, and the best way to let you know that you donate money, that money is fake. This is one of it. Now look at another one here. He said we go 247 empty brain. I don't know who and Adada Rama have all confessed and confirmed Ngozi Orabo Ngozi USB Nigeria. Okay, USB Nigerian group funding a Ebubago Islamic jihadist terrorist. Then down here you see this one. He said Caterpillar Ebubago now Ngozi command Caterpillar Ebubago now Ngozi commander. And guess who made it? Simon Ekpa Akparawa. You can see it here. Let me show you. Look at this place. You can see the name of the person that made it. The same guy, the same tactics, the same mindset. From who? From the main person himself here. Who? This is the real. He is the PM of Biafran government in exile. Ogenkere is just a ceremonial acting prime minister according to them, right? Just to do one or two things to make it look like he is the one, but he's not the one. If you doubt me, this guy also made the announcement that Ogenkere is supposed to make, if I thought he's the leader, that they have planned on how to protest. According to him, he said they made this plan since 14th of last month, 14th of last month until this day. They are yet to fix a date of their protest, whereas they are the one planning the protest in disguise. That the planners and everything is not is they are on their own and all that. But I don't. Do you actually believe that? The answer is no. I don't think you do. If you do, then that means you don't understand how they roll anyway. So there's something I want to share with us here. Look at this post. I talked about this in our live stream yesterday. Okay, what is it? This is Chuayaba, the Ambazonian detained leader. Look at him here. Chuayaba is in Norway prison. Okay, and he made a broadcast from prison yesterday, addressing his people, Ambazonians. He told them, he passed message to them. Just try your best. I wanted to play it here, but the audio is not all that audible enough. So you can only listen to that using earphone, or maybe if you have a voice booster, like all this software to increase volume, which I don't have. I would have done that for you to hear what he said. But please look for it and watch, listen to that. Then from that statement, you understand what PM would have also do. Like what if PM happened to address Biafran, what he would have said, because both of them think alike. If you know, you know. Let us read from the Ambazonian government's executive press secretary, which is this lady here. Okay, look at what she said. She said, Dr. Chua Yaba, the leader of the Ambazonian War of Liberation, has been fully briefed. He will address all Ambazonian citizens on Thursday, being yesterday, 3rd of April 2025, and he have done that, to be honest. Now, I paid close attention to this. Remember, this is Ambazonia, right? The leader has been detained, and the person that succeed him is who? He is COS of Ambazonian, Comrade Fobe. He is the one that is the one that he's their COS at the moment, and immediately this man was arrested. He is the one that replaced him. Then when you come to Biafran movement or Biafran government, you will see some people, Kaba, telling you that COS is just her job is to make tea for prime minister. That is her job, to make tea for prime minister. I think we discussed this on our live stream yesterday. Okay, and you maybe some of you that you don't have time to analyze things like this. The question you should ask yourself is, what is different between Ambazonian COS and Biafran government COS? What is different? What is different between these two? Are they the same or not? I don't see any difference. COS is CS, but to them, they believe that a woman should not lead. No, there's no need for a woman to lead. They don't believe that woman should lead. Why? Because women should be under them as a man, that kind of belief. Yet, when white women begin to appear to be a leader, they all accept it. They will be begging the white women to, can you accept our existence? Can you recognize our existence? We need you to recognize us. Who is leader of United Nations today? I'm just asking. Then IMF, who is the leader? Who is the president of Italy? Where many of them that live in Europe are from Italy. The same people telling why in Italy where they live, their president is a woman. Some of them in Namibia, the current president today is a woman, right? She is a woman, and she have done what men couldn't do, which is to take the bold step to deprive Americans free visa entry in their country. The first country to do that in Africa is a woman. So anybody telling you, the reason is not to me. I don't believe that many of them actually are doing what they're doing. Those of them that hold posts in BRGIE, like those ministers of information and rest of them. One of the reasons why they are kicking against US is not actually because I don't believe because of she's a woman, but they have to hide under that to do the needful. They have to hide under that to lie to you that you have to follow what women say. You have to do this and do that. You have to follow what men say rather. That CS is a woman. The truth of the matter is that CS is a no-go area. She have this paradise to gum everywhere and make sure that there's no flow of money, illegal money flowing to their pocket. That's the problem. Okay, COS worked with PM. CS know what PM went through. CS have seen how they are maneuvering things and how PM was enduring it, patching it for this day to come when Biafran will be declared and he will have a very good reason to reshuffle the cabinet. That's just the fact. But they want to tell you that to dissolve the cabinet is a taboo. Why must you do that? Tell me, what does this guy said here has to do with the current event. He made this post 20 hours ago. When we begin to analyze it, some of you will say, oh, why are you talking about Akparawan every now and then? Why don't you talk about Fulani invading our land? Then you ignore the one that the guy is saying on social media as well. So replying it is a taboo. But him making a comment is a welcome, welcome statement. You're okay with it. 20 hours ago, he was still lying to Biafran that Ebubago is with the USB government, which is a lie. Then saying that this our brother here, Marvelous Arese, is Ebubago commander, Ebubago staff and all that. They are all liars, group of liars and deceivers. Why? Even if you don't like anybody, it is understandable that you don't like the person. I'm not here to tell you that you must like everybody. No. You have every right to hate anybody you want to hate. That is your life, okay? But can you hate with a very good reason, not propaganda and lies? Because you are trying to drag people to something that is not existing and pretend that they exist so that people will just hate one another for no reason. But what are you going to gain by doing that kind of thing? What is your gain? Nothing to gain out of it, if not that you are wired to be evil. All this donation, you donate money to Uncle Sarabes, Uncle Sarafulani, the money will go, the money will be done. The question is, the little one that you guys are making, we are not even doing anything with it yet. You are busy questioning other people. What are you doing with your own? The one you are receiving every weekend also, what are you doing with it? I am just asking because judging by the way you guys are asking the same question, the one you are receiving every week, what are you doing with it as well? If you want USB to show you what they are doing with their money, what the money is for, and all that, then my question to you also is, the little one you are taking, what are you doing with it? This is the honest question. I'm not here to make any problem with anybody, but if you know, you know. Just allow your mind to direct you. Be honest for once. We don't need to go away. We don't need to fight anybody or fight one another. But can we avoid lying to an average Igbo man or average Biafrans? Because the lie is too much. So, my people, there's nothing like this Ebubago working for the USB government. There's not like it's a lie from pit of hell. All of them have the reason. Like he mentioned, I don't know, and Adadorama. These are two different individuals who have different reasons for doing what they're doing that has nothing to do with Biafra. Neither does it have anything to do with freedom. It is personal problem they have with CS. They just want you to drag and jump into it just for you to be part and parcel of what they're doing, which is not supposed to be. A private issue or animosity you have against one another should be meant for you and the person. Don't twist it, don't bring it out and sugarcoat it or push it, that negative narrative, so that you become a national problem that everybody have to deal with it. How can you prove otherwise when you know that what you are doing is not supposed to be? You are lying, and that lie is why we are here to expose it. So my people, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about this week propaganda. Okay, just tell me what you think about it, because they are here to they are running out of ideas. There's no good or no better way to lie or to deceive Biafrans anymore. Instead, they are now repeating what I've done in the past. So like the video, like I said, and share it, comment, let me know what you think about it. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.